Hey Spirit Boosters, hey Spirit Boosters. Look at what I got up here. Y'all, I have not stopped. I'm going to let you, well, I suggest y'all don't stop stacking up, stacking it to the rafters like folks say. Because the war, I don't know, it's kind of like they're not sharing all the information. What seriously is going on? Allegedly, heard on the news. I gotta say allegedly. Allegedly, some of the stuff shared and said in this video is alleged. Got that out the way. Now, allegedly, Russia is asking for help from China for like army, like what ammunition, I guess, and for economic help, monies and ammunition. Let's put it that way. And also, I heard on the news that Russia is close to some NATO members. You know Ukraine ain't a part of NATO. But if you mess with NATO, United States get involved in all the other members that are in NATO. And that puts us in this World War III, they are saying. So, that's a little nervous time, don't you think? Because I just seen on the news this morning, they showed a body. Well, not the lady was alive, but then the newsman said later on the pregnant lady died. She died, the baby died, everything. So it's crazy out there. Allegedly, if you watch the news, Putin allegedly bombed a children's hospital, and allegedly they're saying that if you a civilian, you in the way, you gonna get got. So all this going on, but what is so worrisome is that the fact that if they get close to NATO territory and some get hurt over there, then we gonna get involved. And then hey, us suburban and urban and probably rural folks, a lot of us don't have no dang underground bunkers, underground uh, spaces for protection. No, we don't. A lot of us don't own radiation suits. A lot of us can't afford to buy a bunch of radiation suits for the whole family, or these gas masks and all this other stuff that on some purpose channel are recommended and alerting folks to get and use and stuff. That's ridiculous. That cannot, everybody can't do that. Everybody don't have the same pocketbook. Just like when you stockpiling and stacking it to the wrappers, everybody don't have the same pocketbook. Folks getting little by little, building up little by little. So if you haven't started, you can still start at your Dollar Tree or wherever you know where you can get a supply of stuff necessary for you and your family to live on. I don't know. If stuff hit the fan over here, I don't know. We just have to just pray. And if it's through, then it's through. Can't do nothing about it. If you, like I said, if you ain't got no underground space, you ain't got no suits, you don't have the intellect, the know-how, you don't have the skills. So much of us are ignorant about survival techniques if we get bombed or threatened with bombs. Stuff changed in the world since, a few years ago. Stuff has changed. People are doing stuff like chaos is born, and people are more acting out on their will. The will not stopping folks. We all got will, and if it don't stop you from doing wrong, all this mess is going. It's out of control now. Yes, it's out of control. Folks ain't responding to their will that can have them have judgment, reasonable judgment to stop them from doing crazy stuff. So with that being said, yes, continue to stockpile, continue to get necessary emergency supplies and stuff for your needs. Like I said, disabilities, folks, yes, that need special diets, allergies, all that stuff, medical equipment, all that stuff. If I know it will be overwhelming for a lot of families, but if you already have it anyway, but you need more, you need to start making sure you have it for family members that are disabled and have allergies and use medical equipment, wheelchairs, walkers, canes, all kind of stuff that they gonna need if stuff hit the fan. You see, I got these grits, potatoes, and oatmeal up here. Got some noodles, and don't forget them juicy juices. because you can put them in your emergency bag. Folks call them bug out. It's all kind of names and stuff, but it's still emergency uh, backpack or any bag, knapsack you can fill with stuff just in case stuff happens and get displaced. It's gonna be crazy, but if you panic, then you can't function. So remember, yeah, panic is a crazy, 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 uncomfortable feeling. But if it shuts you down, then you just gotta, that'll be it. Hey, so remember, stay functional even in during these times and stuff. Yes, it's worrisome. Yes, it's like on the edge. You got a lot of folks, hoarding and panic buying and stuff. But hey, during these times, I am not saying there's anything wrong with hoarding and panicking buying. Yes, folks out there screaming and yelling. Had one uh, uh, I call them a spirit booster because I say if you come over here, you a spirit booster unless you saying stuff that I got to delete you, then you no longer a spirit booster if you delete it, right? But anyway, if you're still on the channel, on the comment section, you're a spirit booster right here. But one spirit booster commented and said that in the USA, we always having these problems. Why? Well, I don't know where that spirit booster has been, but the world is in turmoil. So yes, things need to be done, and thank goodness that we do have the sense to do what we need to do instead of just sitting on our thumbs and wiggling them or whatever and not doing nothing and just let stuff happen. It's better to do something. That's what I mean, being functional. Do something. Get something. You got to stay prepared, be prepared. So when you make comments like that, you need to keep doing some more thinking, because you shut your thinking off when you settle on your idea and make that the be all end all. No, it goes on and on and on. Thinking is infinity. It doesn't end. Okay, so don't cut your thinking off. Don't think that that's it, that's all, because there's always somebody else that's gonna continue on with the program. Okay, so I don't, Miss Janita, where are you going? Okay, but anyway, continue to stockpile, because with this war, we don't know what could happen to us. And remember, even though we don't have no underground bunkers, if you do got a basement or under the ground, whatever, I don't know how long that will protect you. Because if it's not sealed, I don't know. I don't know how that stuff works. You're urban, you're suburban, you're rural. Hey, you're homeless. Hey, well, the homeless been surviving a lot, huh? But anyway, take care of you and your family. Remember to stock up necessary, needful supplies, equipment, tools, and always have your plan ready. Because like I say, I want to have a tent, water. I don't know, I might have some I was about to say a cigarette, but I don't want to, I used to smoke, I don't want any cigarettes, but hey, that's just a thought. Maybe, I don't know, not even alcohol, because I don't know. But when stuff hit the fan, you never know what you might need or want to pull you through, to settle you down. Even if you are functional, you still got to have something to calm you. You need something calming. Now, I know some of y'all might say the big W word, but hey, it is legal in some places. But anyway, take care of you and your family, and don't forget stuff like this, instant stuff. You just need some hot water, which you can do all these things outdoors. So get stuff that's convenient in your stock to use in your stockpile, or get displaced. Like that just sealed the deal for me when they were showing that the pregnant people, babies, children, old folks, all these civilians um, are being, injured, hurt, dying during this war over there. And allegedly, the person that's behind it don't care. So like I say, you out of your wheel, because we all got wheels, but when it's broken, dysfunctional, out of order, out of whack, cuckoo, cray cray, then all kind of stuff. Don't don't think don't think that what you can't think of or imagine, that person that's out of their wheel are imagining and are doing it. You watching the news? You seeing what's going on? Okay, y'all. Y'all heard the message. You know the tip. Stay in crisis and survival mode. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you so very much for your time and support, Spirit Boosters. And remember, share your goings on, share your caring zone, goings on, and what's happening in your area and more. And the more being, if you want to discuss anything else. And looky-loos, passerby, trolleys, and others, thank you for your support, for continuing to come through and help this channel succeed. I pray you all stay healthy and well and continue to do what's needed in order to survive.